now now I want to change a default permission of a file. Default permission of a file, it means when you create a new file, the default permission has to change. Okay, now my requirement is, if I create a new file, if I create a new file, that permission must be like this, like this. It means what? Just decode it. Just decode this one. First three user, next three group, last three others, right? User permission, group permission, other permission. Now my requirement is when I create a new file, the default permission has to be like this. The default permission has to be like this. Okay, how to change, what to do? We have to change the UMASK value, right? We have to change UMASK value. Okay, you have to change UMASK value. Okay, so there one procedure is there. I will see first. Just to convert into binary, this one read permission is there, 1 0 0, write and execute not the next 1 0 0, next 1 0 0, right? Now do complement 0 0, sorry, 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? What is the octal value? 3 3 3, starting 0. Okay, so this is the octal value for, this is the UMASK value for this. The UMASK value, sorry, this is the, this permissions we have to set na. This permissions we have to set, right? For that one we have to find the UMASK value. How to find UMASK value? First we have to convert into binary, next complement, next convert into octal. Okay, so we got 0 3 3 0 3 3 3. Now we have to change UMASK value. Okay, now we will change the UMASK value and we will create a file and we will see the default file permissions are how it is. Okay. Just compare this one. Previously we created ABC file. What are the permissions? Default permissions, read write hyphen, read write hyphen, read hyphen hyphen. Now I want to change UMASK value. UMASK 0 3 3, change. Now I will create one file. Touch DEF. Okay. Now check the file permissions. Now check the file permission. What are those? Read hyphen hyphen, read hyphen hyphen, read hyphen hyphen. What is the file name? Def. Okay. So this is the default. This is the default permission of a file, right? Right. Now you cleared, right? How to change the default permission of a file? Okay. Just this is the procedure. Just to revise this thing. Just check this one. Okay.